Alright, hey guys, this is Sheep TV here. This could be kind of like a little vlog slash I don't know, because I don't care. So far, if you haven't already seen the video of my announcement about my computer, then you should probably go watch this. Or is this, I mean, I guess you don't have to, but I'd prefer you to, because that's what I want you to do. Because there is some of this stuff in this video might not make any sense. But anyway, so I'm gonna show you what I have for my computer already. I'm waiting for this game that I got to load because I'm probably gonna record it. It's like something Castle, like I don't know. It was a free game that just looked fun. I'm waiting for it to download all of its stuff. So anyway, I've got my case here. Boom. I don't know which one it is or what case it is because oh my gosh, I'm sorry for that very crappy. Like it looks really staticky right now. Sorry about that, but anyway, you're just gonna have to deal with it. So I'm not sure what kind of case this is because I didn't buy it. I do have the box. At least I did. I don't know what I did with it, but so this is it. My friend Quentin bought it for me for Nank Plays or whatever he changed his channel name to. I'll link him down in the description. Sorry about that. This is my homework. Alright, so this is the case. It's pretty good. I'm gonna unscrew it there for you. Oops. Anyway. Alright, so now, that's off. I could just take this all off. And there we go. So, this came with all this crap. Oh yeah, there's this piece of plastic here that came off. I'm not too sure where it's from. So, Quentin, if you could, like, maybe give me an idea where that's from, because I don't know. Don't really care, though. So this is just like a manual that I haven't read. Oh wait, here we go. So it's the Corsair Carbide Series 100R. It was like 30-40 bucks, I don't remember what Quentin told me. These are just extra screws. This fan right here, Quentin gave me actually. And what it does, it has red LEDs in it, so when it starts up, it glows red. So that's pretty cool. And this is the stock fan that it came with. I probably shouldn't be touching them, but I think it'll be fine. So I ordered my PSU and my motherboard and my optical drive already. So those should be coming. Okay, sorry, I'm gonna have to set this camera down. I might just cut this out. My motherboard hasn't even shipped yet. Because when I bought it, it wasn't in stock. So I don't know when it's gonna be shipped. But my optical drive and my PSU have been shipped, and I don't know when they're gonna get here. It's supposed to be sometime between the 2nd and the 5th, I believe they said. So sometime the week I'm recording this, I don't know when I'm gonna put it up. But alright, so that's my case. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have right now. I'll update you again when, what am I trying to say? Okay, I'll update you again when I have the rest of my parts. Alright, well, something I realized I forgot to show you was the front of the case, which is, like, can't really see it because the lighting is very bad, but it's really smooth. I like it. I really like it. It has a little Corsair symbol down there. These are the power and restart button, headphone jack, microphone jack, and these are two USB 3.0 ports, and then this whole thing can just like come off. I'm gonna show you that. Here it just comes off. Oh, you can see there's two slots for like optical drives or disk drives, whatever you want to put in there. Okay, so this is the front, so it has room for two fans. I already have the LED one in there, and then I don't have anything right here. You can see the hard drive slots here. And these are just the thingies. So yeah, so that's the what I wanted to show you, because I didn't show you it. I realized I forgot. And here's the back, if you're wondering. It has the little slots here. This, can't really see it. This is left on the motherboard, and PSU right here. So, yep. Okay, so that's it. So now, bye-bye. Alright, hey guys, this is Cheap TV here. I'm probably gonna be adding. What is going on with my camera? Right, sorry about that. Well, I'm probably gonna be adding this onto the video of my vlog about my computer. But this package just arrived. Or not just arrived, actually. It's been in my mailbox for a while. I just didn't know about it. This should be my PSU and my optical drive, so I'm gonna go ahead and ooh, I'm excited. Let's open this. Ooh, that bubble wrap. This looks like my PSU right here. Ooh. I see a box right there. Okay, so here is my power supply, and this looks like my optical drive right here. Alright, well, sorry for this crappy angle, but it's gonna have to do because I'm in a small space. I'm gonna open this up. You know, ooh, I don't like that noise. You know, it's kind of satisfying taking this plastic off, because it's really thin, it's easy to tear. But this is just making it unsatisfying because it's hard to tear off. There we go. Like if you get a brand new game, like a disc, they always have this plastic on them, and it's really satisfying. Now, how does this open? Money shot. Ooh. Alright, so we're granted with this. I feel like I'm doing a review right now. I'll read that later, maybe, if I feel like it. Ooh. The classic red and yellow wires. There's my phone ring. Yay. Ooh, this is a nice weight to it. This is metal, so it's like really cold right now. Ooh, that looks nice. Oh, I can just like feel cold air coming from it. So, sorry that you can't see that. There we go. So that's where you plug in this. And here's the on-off switch for it. And there's the fan. So if you couldn't tell from the cover of the box, it's obviously a 430 watt. I'm not gonna do a video of me actually putting this on the case, or putting this in the case, because that's just something that I want to do by myself. Ooh, okay, now on to the optical drive, or disk drive, whatever you want to call it. Oh, I got really scared there. Yeah, so it's Asus, or Asus, whatever you want to call it. Oops, I just dropped something. Well, what do you know? Asus DVD Suite. This contains, you can't read that. Power to go, E-Green, Asus Firewall Update. Oh, so this is for, these are the drivers, I think. Okay. So here is the actual thing. Yeah, okay, the front is plastic, or it's black. That's why, okay. I got kind of scared because I saw this white. There's a bunch of condensation in there. I saw that's white, and I thought the front of it was white. I got scared because that's a very ugly white color. Optical disc drive. Yee. Alright guys, so these are the things so far. So yeah. I don't really have any money left to buy any of my parts. So until I get more money to buy, the next thing I'll probably buy is my Wi-Fi adapter card thing. I'll probably be making a video once my motherboard gets here, and then the next time I'll probably have my Wi-Fi adapter, so I'll make a video about that. But otherwise, till then, if you like this video, you drop a like, you comment, subscribe, and as always, peace.